Hi, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, so let's bake some vegan zucchini muffins with a kick of chili. First, crush some nuts. I used almonds and pecan. We need a substitute for egg, so let's prepare flax egg. For that, boil 1/4 cup of water, add 1.5 tablespoon flaxseed powder and 1 tablespoon chia seeds to the hot water. Mix well, cover it and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. We need zucchini. You can even use pumpkin instead of zucchini. This is homegrown. So I took about 3 cups of grated zucchini. I added habanero chilli. This is from our backyard. I took 1 chilli and chopped it into small pieces. It came about 1 tablespoon of chopped habanero chilli. This is completely optional, but will give a nice flavor. Let us prepare the muffin batter. I used multigrain flour. I took 2 cups of multigrain flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1.5 cup brown sugar and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon chopped habanero. This is completely optional. Add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder and mix well. We are mixing all the dry ingredients together. Add 1/4 cup nuts, crushed nuts, and mix well. Add the flax egg to the mix and mix well. Make sure the flax egg mix with all other ingredients. Add the grated zucchini. It's about 3 cups of grated zucchini. You can even use an electric mixer. Since I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together, I used a wooden spoon. Mix all the ingredients together. The water from zucchini will help to mix everything together. Add the oil. I used 1/2 cup olive oil. Mix well. Add 1/2 cup coconut milk. You can use regular milk or carnation milk instead. Mix well. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now the batter is ready. Grease the muffin tray with olive oil and pour the batter in. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. That is about 180 degrees Celsius. I made about 12 muffins, and the rest of the batter I put it in a tray. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Our muffins are ready. This is a very delicious vegan muffins with a kick of chili, with a bite of nuts, and with a flavor of cinnamon and nutmeg. Enjoy. Now let's make banana zucchini bread using the same ingredients. I took 2 bananas, mash the bananas, I used palm sugar instead of brown sugar. Mix well. Added the nuts. Added raisins. You can add any dried fruits. In a separate container, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. 2 cups of multigrain flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg. Mix all the dry ingredients together. I added about 3/4 cup of chopped habanero chilli. I added the flax egg to the palm sugar mix and added half cup of coconut milk. Mix all the wet ingredients together. Add the grated zucchini. I used about 2 cups of grated zucchini. Add 1/2 cup olive oil. Now let's add all the dry ingredient mix to the wet ingredients. Add the flour little by little. Mix well. Our vegan banana zucchini cake mix is ready. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. The yummy, soft, vegan banana zucchini cake is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments.